In a matter of seconds, a home can be destroyed just like that. It's our job to save your day.
What I love about working with Save the Day Restoration is the challenge of doing the job from start to finish and making the customers happy.
What makes Save the Day different is we care.
We have a very small, quaint office, which always leads to excellent customer service.
When we meet a new customer, we treat them as family.
We go into somebody's home, we want to treat it like it's our home.
As if they were our mom or our grandma.
It's a very stressful situation, and a lot of people don't understand how bad it can be. It's my goal to give these people peace of mind.
We are definitely here to serve.
Here at Save the Day, we are a family, and we're here for you.